First, verify your signal strength. Use your phone's settings or a signal strength app to check the dBm reading. AT&T claims 99% population coverage, but that doesn't guarantee a strong signal everywhere. Check AT&T's coverage map online to see if you're in a known weak area. Consider that buildings and weather can disrupt signals. Before diving into advanced solutions, try these quick fixes. First, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection and clear any temporary cellular issues. Next, restart your phone. A simple reboot can resolve temporary software glitches that might be causing your calls to drop. If problems persist, reset your phone's network settings. This clears saved Wi-Fi passwords and cellular configurations, forcing your phone to reconnect to the network and potentially fixing persistent issues. Wi-Fi calling is a crucial fallback feature that allows your phone to make and receive calls over a Wi-Fi network when cellular signal is weak or unavailable. This technology routes voice calls through your internet connection, providing reliable communication even in areas with poor cell coverage. To enable Wi-Fi calling on Android devices, navigate to your phone's settings, find the Network and Internet or Connections section, and look for Wi-Fi calling options. Make sure it's toggled on and connected to a Wi-Fi network. For iPhone users, go to Settings, tap Cellular, and select Wi-Fi calling. Ensure it's enabled on this iPhone, and you may need to add your emergency address for full functionality. According to AT&T data, 60% of their users have enabled Wi-Fi calling, making it a popular solution for maintaining call quality. Wi-Fi calling can drastically reduce call drops, especially indoors where cellular signals are often weaker, by using your home or office Wi-Fi network as a reliable alternative. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues and lead to call drops. Ensure your phone's operating system, whether iOS or Android, is up to date. For iOS devices, check for software updates in your settings. The update notification will show available improvements. For Android devices, navigate to Settings, then About Phone, and check the software information for updates. Also, check for updates to the AT&T app and any other apps related to phone functionality. User forums suggest that 70% of software update attempts are successful at resolving the issue. AT&T has launched the Network Resilience Initiative to enhance network reliability across their service areas. A key component of this initiative is AI-driven traffic management, which intelligently routes network traffic to prevent congestion. By optimizing how data flows through the network, AT&T reduces the likelihood of call drops during peak usage times. To take advantage of these improvements, make sure your device is compatible with AT&T's latest network updates, which typically requires a relatively new smartphone. AT&T provides diagnostic tools within their app. Use these tools to identify potential problems and report issues directly to AT&T. They may be able to identify network problems in your area and provide targeted solutions. According to projections, proactive user education through these apps has the potential to reduce support calls by 25% annually. The future looks promising for AT&T network reliability. They are investing heavily in 5G and fiber optic backhaul to reduce latency and improve overall performance. AT&T is investing heavily in 5G and fiber optic backhaul to reduce latency and improve overall performance. By 2030, AT&T predicts near zero call drops with standalone 5G and edge computing. Edge computing will play a key role in achieving this goal by processing data closer to users. Stay tuned for these advancements and continue to monitor your call quality for optimal performance.